everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Ticketmaster account. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.ticketmaster.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Ticketmaster. In order to sign up for a new account, go and click on the sign in link at the top right. In the sign in area, click on the sign up link right next to new to Ticketmaster. Now, on the next page, enter a valid email address and create a password that you would like to set for your Ticketmaster account in the next field. After you are done, write down your first name and then your last name. Select your country of residence from the drop down and check this little box beneath if you want to be notified about upcoming events and special offers. Finally, click on the next button at the bottom right. On the next page, enter your phone number after selecting a country code from the drop down and check this little box beneath to receive notifications about upcoming events and offers. If you don't want to do that, leave the box unchecked and click next. On the next page, enter the one-time code sent on your mobile number that you just registered and click on confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for Ticketmaster. How to log in to Ticketmaster account. Open up a web browser to get started and in the URL box type in www.ticketmaster.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Ticketmaster. To sign into an existing account, go and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner, which will then open up the sign in area. If you don't have a Ticketmaster account yet, you can click on the sign up link and create a new account first. If you already have an existing account, type in your email address associated with Ticketmaster in the email address text box at the top. Once you are done, head over to the password field and type in your correct password associated with the account as well. If you don't remember the password, you can click on the forgot password link and reset your password to a new one. Check this little remember me box if you'd like the system to remember your credential for you. If not, leave it unchecked and click on sign in. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've successfully logged into your Ticketmaster account.
How to use your Ticketmaster gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. Now, once you open up your browser, simply type in ticketmaster.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Ticketmaster. Now, first of all, click on the sign in button and you will be allowed to log into your account. Simply type in your email address followed by your password and click on the sign in button to log you in to Ticketmaster. Now, once you are logged into your account, you can click on the gift card section at the top right corner alongside help. After clicking on this, you can either buy a desired gift card by clicking on the buy button, or in order to activate or log into your card, you can check your balance by clicking on check balance or the click here button underneath check balance section. Now, once you click on this, you might be asked to sign into your account if you haven't done so already. So sign in using your email address and your password, and once you click on the sign in button, you will be logged in to your Ticketmaster gift card. You may need to enter the gift card credentials, so make sure you have them ready to go. How you can use your promo code on Ticketmaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in ticketmaster.com and press enter. Now you will be taken into the official Ticketmaster website. If you see the sign in button at the top section, that means you're not logged into your account. So simply click on it and log in using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to this home page where you can see the My Account section. Now, in order to enter your desired promo code, you will need to go ahead and buy a ticket. So let's go ahead and see some tickets that we can buy. Now, after clicking on Find Tickets, and you will be able to select your desired seating. Now, after booking your ticket, click on the next button and you will be taken into the ticket buying menu. Now, before placing your order, you can scroll down and find various payment options. Now, underneath the PayPal option, you will be able to find Add Credit as well as Promo Code. Simply click on this and you can enter your promo code. Simply enter your promo code and your gift card number as well, and then click on the apply button. After you have applied your promo code, you can simply read and agree to the terms of use and then click on Place Order to finalize your ticket order along with your promo code. And there you have it. After placing your order, you can proceed with the payments and you will receive your promo code discount as well. How to change your country on Ticketmaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in ticketmaster.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for Ticketmaster, where you can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button and using your email address and your password. Now once you are logged in, you will see the My Account section at the top, so simply just click on it. Now click on My Account and this will take you into your account settings page. Now from the account overview page, simply scroll down and click on Settings. Now from this page, if you scroll down, you will be able to find your location at the bottom section. Simply click on the drop-down menu and then select your desired location. After selecting your desired location, simply click on the Update Location button and your location will be updated immediately. How to change your name on Ticketmaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in ticketmaster.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Ticketmaster. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner and use your email address and password to log in to your account. Now once you are signed in to your account, you can simply click on the My Account option at the top section and then click on Settings. You will now end up in the settings page. Now once you're taken into this page, you can simply find your name at the very top. Simply make any desired changes to your name and then you can click on the button which says Update Details. You might be asked to verify your change through a security code that will be sent to your email address. So after doing the verification, any changes you make to your name will be saved.
How to change Ticketmaster account's password. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.ticketmaster.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Ticketmaster. Click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and enter your credentials to log into your account. Once you're inside the main home page for Ticketmaster, click on the My Account button at the top right and click Settings in the pop-up. This will open up the account settings for Ticketmaster. Scroll all the way down and get to the Update Password option. Type in the new password in the text box you would like to change to for Ticketmaster. Make sure to include these criteria in your password to make it a secure one. And now, finally click on Update Password in order to change your password on Ticketmaster. That is how you can easily change your password on Ticketmaster. You might be redirected to the main login area soon after you change your password. Make sure to enter the new password you changed to get access to your account back again.
How to change your email address on Ticketmaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ticketmaster.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Ticketmaster. Now in order to sign into your account, click on the sign in button at the top section and use your email address and password to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will be able to see various tickets that you can buy. In order to change your email address, click on the My Account button at the top section and then click on Settings. You will now be taken into the settings window. Now once you're on this page, simply scroll down and you will be able to find your email address. You can simply type in your desired new email address and then click on the Update button. Just type in your desired new email and click on the Update button and you will be asked to confirm your email change by typing in the one-time password that has been sent to your old email address. So simply check your inbox and you will find the authentication code from Ticketmaster. Simply enter this code in the given box and click on the Confirm button. And now your email has successfully been changed.
How to change phone number on Ticketmaster. Start off by opening up a web browser and also make sure that you are logged into your Ticketmaster.com account. Once you're inside the main home page, click on My Account button at the top right and click Settings in the pop-up. Under the Account Settings tab, scroll all the way down and when you see the phone number option, click on Update Number. Select your country from the drop-down and enter your phone number in the text box you would like to change to and click the Next button. Enter the one-time passcode that has been sent on your mobile number you are trying to change to via SMS. Simply write down the code and click Confirm to change your phone number. That is how you'll be able to change your phone number on Ticketmaster. How to log out of Ticketmaster account. Open up a web browser to get started and also make sure that you are logged into your Ticketmaster account and you are in the main homepage. From the main homepage of Ticketmaster, if you'd like to log out or sign out of the account, you can go and click on the My Account button at the top right. Right in the pop-up, you'll be able to see a Sign Out button. Give it a click and you'll be redirected to the main interface for Ticketmaster. To log in back again, you'll need your credentials. Click on the Sign In button at the top right and then enter your credentials for your Ticketmaster account. That is your email address and password. Finally, click the Sign In button to get back to your Ticketmaster account whenever you want. That is how you can easily log out of Ticketmaster. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.